Hello everyone, my name is Savan Patel and me and my project partner Tirtha have created this project of Property Dalal. This is a real estate property listing site. Here we allow the user to list all the properties that he want to sell or rent. Then look for the properties using the filter from a filter of location based and category based search. Then display all the properties and contact the owner or renter of the property if interested. Uh, Let me start by registering a new account. Whenever any new registration is done, then the user receives a email containing the OTP of the. So if you go here, yeah, so here is the email and the OTP is 448168. So let's say the actual OTP is 68, but let's say if you enter the wrong OTP 67, then it will say the OTP is wrong and actual OTP is this. And once the correct OTP is entered, it will say OTP verified successfully, and now we can log in. So let's log in. So now as we are logged into the site, we can see all the properties, search for it, and also add new properties. So let's add a property. So let's say the name is like Mannat Bungalows, and it is bungalow. We have option of sell or either rent. Let's say add rent. So now this featured image, it will be displayed as a banner on the front side, main side, and any number of other images are added, like 5 to 6 images. If you have different locations like garage and bedroom or kitchen images, then it can be also be added. So here we have to add the description. Then here we can add the comma separated features. So like if we have like a bedroom, bathroom, garden, garage, everything. So let's say we have a swimming pool, yes, a garage of two capacity, cars of two capacity, and 3 BHK. Now let's go here. The price is we are adding this property for renting. So let's say 20,000 per month, and the square feet is like 2,500, for example. And once we submit the property, it will say property added successfully. And now we can go to the index page and go to my properties. So we have explored the add property option. Now let's go to my properties, and here is it, the Mannat Bungalows, and all the details related to it. So now if we click on this, we get the full description with all the images, and the swimming pool, garage, and cars are added like these property features. Now let's go to home again, and if you want to like say see description of any properties, uh, let's say this Vardhman Silver Crown. If you go to view and display all the, and if you want to be contacted by the owner, then we'll say that I am interested, and this property will be added in my liked properties. So Vardhman Silver Crown is added to the liked properties, and the user can also search all the properties. So let's say the recent property we added was from Surat. What search, let's say Ahmedabad. So the string is not complete Ahmedabad, but it is a substring. So if we go to search, then it will give us all the properties containing the substring Ahmedabad. So it can be also done here. uh, Now let's log out and log in from another account in which we have added many of the properties. And one more thing, if the user has forgotten the password, then the password can also be resetted, and the method will be same. The email will be sent with OTP to the user's account, and then the password can be resetted. Yeah, so now as we have logged in, let's see all the my properties. So here are all the properties of the user, and now this is the about us and list of the properties, header, footer. This is the contact page, and this thing also works on the phone. So like I have connected through the Anydesk application, and I have provided the IP of my laptop, so we can see all the options. We can navigate to the whole site, and the whole site is made responsive, and all the images are stored on the server, and the paths are stored on the database. So this is our schema for the project. So the tables are user property, feedback, details, and user interested. So our whole database is hosted on this remote.mysql.com site, which is like globally accessible. So that's why I am able to see all the images on my phone also, not only on my local laptop. So this was all about our project. Thank you.